Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ping and Play. I hope everyone doing great and celebrated the Christmas happily. So today I just shared my knowledge on Ether channel. So what is Ether channel? What is the use case of Ether channel? So before getting to Ether channel, just want to share on mechanism. I think you people know STP. STP. So see here switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 are connected here, and two devices are connected to the switch 2 and 3. So in this topology, STP will be there. Why STP? So by default, switch can broadcast the traffic to other connected devices. If the data packet reaches to here, the data frame will send to here, here to here, here to here. Again this switch will send the traffic to here, 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 and here. So switch receiving the duplicate. So unnecessary broadcast traffic will be there in the topology. In this scenario, STP will comes to the picture. So STP what it will do, see for example here one switch will be there, here one switch will be there, switch 1, switch 2 have connected two ports here, 0 slash 1, 0 slash 0, 0 slash 0, 0 slash 1 fast ethernet. Okay, if for suppose switch 1 MAC address will be 0A, switch 2 MAC address will be 0B, then this will link will be root bridge. This will be root port. This will be designated port. This will be port will be block. Sorry, block. So this is the mechanism of STP to prevent the loop and will give the loop free topology. See here practically. Here switch 0 is connected to switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3. So understand this topology. Here one block port. One port is blocked because of STP is running between these four switches. So that was the reason one port will blocked here. So that is the function of STP while topology having redundant links. So here concentrate on this switch 1, switch 2, actually this was switch 2 and switch 3, and okay, this will be 3, this will be 4. Here four switches will be there. So I have connected one fast ethernet link to this fast ethernet link. Here I have connected switch to this switch and switch 3 to switch 4, and then I have connected 50 users. Here also 50 users will be there, and I have connected one router for accessing internet. This is internet. So if the users are connected to the switch 2 can need to establish a connection with these devices. So to communicate these user in the connected user in switch 4, the data frames will be, it will reach to switch 2 and then switch 1 and then switch 3 and then switch 4 and then to reach this user. Okay, if the user is send the data frame from here, that request is again traffic will be like switch 1 to switch 3 to switch 4 to this user, right? Users who are connected from switch 4. So now we'll see. So here users, 50 users will be there. Here again I'm drawing router, internet. Okay, users. So here I have 50 users, which I told you earlier. Here 50 users. Here fast Ethernet link, it will support for 100 Mbps, right? 100 Mbps. So every user can able to have 2 MB. So 50 into 200. From these users also same. Use this 100 MB bandwidth to 50 users, right? So every user can able to have 2 MB per user to using internet. So what if I add 1,000 users? What if I have 1,000 users here? So this 100 Mbps link is not enough. This bandwidth is not enough for me to use the traffic to here to here using internet, right? So in this scenario, ether channel will comes to role. Let me show you in the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, see this topology. Okay, here I have hundreds of users. Here I have 100 users. If these users can able to communicate with these users, we need certain bandwidth here. Okay, so in this scenario, we need higher bandwidth for communicating of devices. Sorry. So the users are in here to able to communicate with these users. We need more bandwidth here. So, but I have connected fast Ethernet 100 Mbps. Is that sufficient to communicate these devices which are interacting to these devices? No, it's not possible, right? We need higher bandwidth. For that, we use Ether channel. What will I do? Here, 1 minute. I'll connect multiple fast Ethernets. Okay. See here, how I have connected 4 ethers, right? 4 ether links. So, what is the bandwidth here? it will become 400 Mbps bandwidth. So these users can utilize this bandwidth to communicate with these devices. Yes, so that is called ether channel, guys. So now, what is ether channel? It's a link aggregation technology used in computer networking. It will combine multiple physical ethernet links. See here, it will combine these multiple physical ethernet links into single logical link. Single logical link. So that is called channel. So this technology is widely used in switches and routers to enhance network performance and reliability. So here multiple we can bundle up these links into one logical link. One logical link. So for configuring the ether channel we get many benefits, like it will increase the bandwidth. So it will increase the bandwidth. See, I'll connect. Now I have given 7 Ethernet. So I will bundle up these links. This is called Ether channel. Bundle up the multiple links into one logic link. One link, sorry. So by using Ether channel, we can get the benefits like it will increase the bandwidth, redundancy, and the load balancing. Load balancing is nothing but traffic is distributed across the links based on algorithms such as like source, destination IP, MAC address, or port, anything. And also configuration is applied to single logical interface instead of multiple physical interfaces. So these are the benefits of Ether channel. So now I hope you guys understand what is Ether channel. Let me explain you again. Ether channel. The I have 1,000 users here. I have 1,000 users. If they want to communicate with these users, the traffic flow will be this user to this switches, and this switch to this switch 0, and then switch 1, and then these switches, and then router, and then access the internet. So this is the data flow between the switches and having communication of the devices, like here PC and laptops, every L3 devices will be there. Okay, this is the data flow will be in real time also. I hope you guys understand the ether channel. Okay, in this ether channel, 1 minute guys. Mm, I'll open another one. See here. So what I have done here I have connected 8 fast Ethernet links between the switches. So now it will have 800 Mbps bandwidth. Yes or no? Right? Bandwidth. Okay. So now let's jump into configuration. I already configure here, but for you, I'll again configure again. I'll show you from start to end. Okay. Here I'll take on switch. Here also on switch. Here I'll take on PC. Uh, I'll connect here. I'll connect here. Okay. I'm assigning the IP address. Just assign the IP addresses, so don't matter. So I'm going to switch CLI, enable. Now I'm in privilege mode, config terminal. So in this, what we are doing, let me do one thing. In this, what we are doing here, connecting multiple fast Ethernet links, right? See here, I have connected 6, 7, 8. So I'm connecting 8 fast Ethernet links. So actually, it was by default the limitation of Ether channel is 8 fast Ethernet links or else 8 gigabit Ethernet links. Okay. This is one channel group. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Interface. Let me check the interface brief. Do show interface brief. So, see here, I have given 8 fast Ethernet. Okay. Second one is for PC 0. I have connected. Okay. Uh, I'll give another link as well. Okay. Okay. We'll give the interface FA 0/1. Sorry. Interface range FA 0/329. Okay. Here I'm bundle up the 6 Ethernet links. Eight Ethernet links into switch 0 and switch 1. Between there will be 8. Sorry, 9. Okay. Here the command is uh, before that let me explain. I'll open another. See here. So for ether channel there will be here ether channel furtherly divided static and dynamic. Static ether channels and dynamic ether channel will be there, and furtherly divided into, and I'll explain the dynamic now. Sorry, dynamic protocols like PAGP and LACP will be there. Okay, please concentrate, guys. Here, PAGP is nothing but port aggregation protocol. What is PAGP? Port aggregation protocol. And what is LACP? Link aggregation control protocol. Okay, there will be two protocols in dynamic: PAGP port aggregation protocol and LACP link aggregation protocol control protocol. I have given. Okay, that was not a big thing. Control protocol. So PAGP is Cisco proprietary protocol. PAGP is Cisco proprietary protocol. PAGP. So PAGP is Cisco protocol, and LACP is the open standard protocol. So forming the ether channel using protocol like PAGP, there will be two modes. Okay, what is PAGP? Forget about this. Okay, what is PAGP? PAGP is port aggregation protocol. It's a Cisco proprietary protocol. So in the PAGP, there will be two modes: auto and desirable. So auto means here the mode will be auto. Auto is just nothing but it will respond to PAGP packets but does not initiate them. And the next here auto will be there. This mode will respond to PAGP packets. If the PAGP packets will be received from this switch to this switch, then it will form the ether channel. Here the desirable is there. In this mode, if these ether if these are in the desirable mode, it will actively negotiate the formation of ether channel. It will actively negotiate the formation of ether channel. So that's how it is. Okay, if you using the port aggregation protocol between these switches, the mode will be either auto, and here will be the desirable. I'll explain you guys. Okay, if here desirable will be there, here also desirable will be there, then the ether channel will be formed. Auto and desirable, desirable and desirable. If the mode will be here auto and here also auto, while using PAGP protocol, the ether channel నాట్ ఫార్మ్డ్. ఏవైతే ఈ కనెక్ట్ చేసిన పోర్ట్స్ అన్ని ఆటో మోడ్ లో ఉన్నాయో ఇటుపక్క కూడా కనెక్ట్ చేసే పోర్ట్స్ అన్ని ఆ ఛానల్ మోడ్ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఆ మోడ్ అనేది ఆటో అయినట్లయితే ఈథర్ ఛానల్ ఫామ్ అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ ఈ మోడ్ డిజైరబుల్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఈ మోడ్ డిజైరబుల్ ఉందనుకోండి, దెన్ ఈథర్ ఛానల్ విల్ బి ఫార్మ్. if here auto, if here the auto, ethernet link will be not formed. If here the auto will be there, if desire will be there. Okay, so I'm telling the compatibility, guys. Okay, here if the mode will be auto and desirable, the ether channel will be formed. If the mode will be desirable, here also desirable, then channel is formed. Here will be the auto, here the mode will be the auto, ether channel will not be formed. Okay, that's how it is while using PAGP protocol. It's a Cisco proprietary protocol. While using Cisco switches, we can enable this configuration and can form ether channel to get bandwidth. So now another protocol will be there, LACP. Okay, so what is LACP? Let me explain one thing. LACP, link aggregation protocol. Link aggregation protocol is nothing but LACP. So in LACP, if we configure, what are the, I'm telling the limitations. Okay, what are the limitations? If we use PAGP here to form Ethernet channel, the limitation will be 8 fast Ethernets only. Okay, these 8 fast Ethernet links will form one logical link. Okay, in this LACP, Open Standard Protocol, link aggregation protocol, Open Standard Protocol. Okay, Open Standard Protocol. In this Open Standard Protocol, for LACP also there will be two modes. Okay, that particular, this will become a channel. This will become a channel, right? So this channel modes I'm telling. Okay, if we configure the PAGP, the mode will be in switch 0 is auto and this will be desirable, desirable, desirable. If the both channel mode will be active, Ethernet channel will not be formed. Likewise, we have LACP. So LACP లో కూడా two modes ఉంటాయి, active and passive. So here the mode will be the active, here the passive. Active is nothing but, so it actively send the request to here. Okay, to form Ethernet channel. Sorry, so sorry guys, from this to here. Okay, from this switch 0 to here, it will actively sense the to form a Ethernet channel. Okay, the mode will be active. If the mode will be passive, what is passive? It will only wait for a request. Wait. So the combination, the compatibility, it will wait for the request. In the active mode, these links will send like passive to, I'm waiting to form the Ethernet channel. So passive will form the Ethernet channel. So if the modes will be active and passive, the Ethernet channel will be formed. If the mode will be active here, if the mode will be active here, ether channel will be formed for LACP. Guys, I'm telling about LACP. Okay, here the mode will be passive here. Here the mode will be passive here. Ether channel would not be formed. So by using a PAGP, the compatibility between auto and desirable I have explained, and here active and passive modes will be there. I have explained you clearly. I hope you guys understand the thing. Okay, guys, I'm telling again by taking a real-time knowledge like what is active mode. Active is nothing but it will tells like let's form a team. Let's form a team. Passive is like it will be joined if anyone asks to join. That is the active and passive things. Okay, let's join the team. It will ask to passive. Passive. I'll join the team, man. So ether channel formed. So we can utilize this bandwidth to for the performance, and also connectivity is also be better. So let's get into configuration. Earlier I have stopped at and one point. So I'll again do the configuration. Okay. Yeah. Switch CLI enable. I'm in privilege mode now. So config terminal. It will take me to this command configure terminal. This command will take me to global mode. Okay, we'll select the range. See here, I have combined fast ethernet up to 08. Okay, let me see. Do show IP interface brief. See here, fast ethernet link FA0/1 is connected to PC2. Okay, here see here FA0/1 is connecting this device. Okay, from 0 to 08 we are combining these physical interfaces into one logical interface, like one channel. So please remember the terms like channel. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god. Yes. Interface range FA0/2 2. Here how many are there? Up to 8. I am bundling from FA0/2 link to 0/8. Okay. Now we'll give the channel group. Channel hyphen group. Okay. Channel group. I'll give the number. uh, what was like here. See here we have created, we are forming a ether channel, right? So we need to club these fast ethernets. So for this group we need to assign one number. It will be 1 to 6. You can choose the number in Cisco practice 6. Chuddama. See here, channel group number. Okay, I'm giving 1. Sorry, here I have given the channel group number. It will like identification of that particular group. Okay, mode. I'll give the mode active here. Okay, see here. So the interfaces are become a channel, and also switch port. Interface range FA 0/228. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, trunk port carry the multiple VLAN traffic. I already explained to you in my previous videos. Please go and watch if you don't know how to create VLANs. So now likewise we need to configure here as well. Switch CLI, enable config terminal. Here the command is channel group. So okay, sorry guys, actually before that I need to get into interface range first, so forgot. FA 0/228 channel group. I'm giving here mode active. So both sides I have given the mode of active. Please remember that. Okay, the ether channel will be formed if the switch 0 having that port channel in the mode of active can communicate with switch 1 which is having the mode of active in LACP. Okay, here again I am going to interface range FA 0/228. I already explained what is the trunk port as well. Switch port mode trunk. So every link is the trunk port now. So now both modes are act done. Okay. Okay. Now, so I have created, I have bundled up these links into one channel group. I have bundled up these links FA 0/228. Okay. Here also FA 0/2208. Okay, now configuration is not done yet. Okay, I'm going to switch 0 CLI. I have bundled up the things, right? So again the command will be port channel. What here I have given the so it fade out. Okay, port I have given that group 1. So here we are creating the port channel. Okay, port channel. port channel. So after that I have given the command and another command will be there. Here I am in switch 1. Sit. Here interface port channel. I have given the number 2 in switch 1. Now port channel 2. This is the command. Remember guys. On the first step we need to give this command channel group and the mode will be active. Here the number. Okay. So here also I have configured earlier actually. Show IP interface. Show IP interface brief. Guys, see here. If you want, you can pause the video and zoom it. Here, see port channel. Okay, port channel. If you want, okay, if you want, you can now you can see the summary. So, ether channel summary. See here. The protocol we have used LACP and the ports are FA0/2, FA0/3, FA0/4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here these links are created the group number 1 and the port channel will be 1. This is how we can create ether channel. In switch 1 also I'll show you the ether channel summary. What happened? Exit, exit. Show IP interface brief. See here port channel. I have given the channel group number 2. Here the see the status here. You can see the status here. Wait, what the, see here the status. Okay, this is the ether channel status. Ether channel status. See here port channel is created. Sorry, I'll drop this. Port channel. See here port channel is created now. So this is how we can utilize ethernet ether channel technology. On the first what we have done, we have taken two switches and given 8 links between them to form ether channel. In the configuration will open the CLI and we'll go to interface range. You can enter how many links you are giving to the form for ethernet channel. Okay, enter in interface range and then channel group and the number to the group and the mode active or passive. If you want to configure PAGP between these switches, the same configuration is the same. We'll go to switch CLI, interface range, channel group. So guys, and one more thing, whenever then that is the configuration of ether channel using protocol like LACP. So guys, the number of links you can bundle in ether channel depends on the protocol that you are using. Okay. uh, so if you are using LACP, so 8 links in single ethernet channel bundle. So if you configure the PAGP here, it will support 8 8 links. Okay. And in earlier I have said ether channel furtherly, sorry, ether channel is divided into two: static and dynamic. In the static, there will be one configuration is there, so I'll explain. In the static ether channel there will be two modes, guys. Here mode like on it won't negotiate anything. So I don't think static ether is following now. So we have LACP and PAGP protocols. So there is no need to go for static in most cases. In the ether, we can bundle up 8 links in single Ethernet channel bundle in static. Okay, in the static we can same 8 link. So that was the thing, guys. And if you want, I can share another thing. Wait, in the LACP, in the LACP link aggregation protocol, it's a standard protocol, right? There will be 8 links active and 8 links will be standby. 8 links. Okay. So that's all about ether channel and STP mechanism and PAGP, LACP. I have explained. Now you come to know what is the difference between LACP and PAGP. It's a open standard protocol. LACP is a open standard protocol. LACP. What is the difference between these protocols? This is Cisco protocol. This is open standard protocol. It support LACP support 8 active links and 8 passive links. These passive links will be in standby. In PAGP, there is no standby links. No standby links. Okay, and LACP can be used across multi-vendor networks, whereas PAGP it's limited to Cisco environment and can detect and recover from the link failure using these standby links. LACP standby links will use it to recover from link failures. If for example, see here I have created the channel interfaces 2 to 8. If 4 links will be failed, the standby 8 links will come to provide the connectivity. It is called redundancy, right? Network availability in the words of networking, 1 minute interruption, 1 second interruption is also plays a uh, it's a big trouble. It's big impact. So for everything there always the redundancy. Okay, so this is ether channel and LACP dynamic protocols, LACP, PAGP. I hope you guys did understand what is ether channel and what are the protocols and how it will be. Okay, so that's all about this ether channel. So guys, I have spent hours of time to make this video. If you found any informative detail on this video, please hit like, share, subscribe to my channel Ping and Play, and do support. See you in the next video. Bye guys.